Hello everyone, my name is Phil LeBlanc and I'm the Director of Strategic Development for PuroClean. We're the paramedics of property damage, a truly world-class franchise brand of over 500 locations throughout North America. Today I'm here at the Experience Expo in Las Vegas, as we are every year supporting the industry and this great show and talking to industry professionals of all types. So as the Director of Strategic Growth, my opportunity is really to help these companies become part of the network. What do they all have in common? Well, they all want to grow their revenues consistently. Some are very aggressive and want multiple units. Others simply want to build a very strong local business. They want to differentiate from their competitors. They want to make more money over time and improve their financial performance. And finally, they want to build a strong asset that has real value for return on investment in the future when they go to sell that business. We have a program called a bolt-on, and that basically is the traditional PuroClean franchise that you can set up as a separate entity right alongside your existing plumbing business. You might be a home builder and a general contractor. You may own and operate an HVAC company. All of these companies are related to what we do every day at PuroClean, and by bolting on a PuroClean franchise alongside your existing business, you can complement each other and grow these companies together. We have a culture at PuroClean that's built on three key principles. One is called servant leadership, and that simply means that we're leading our company boldly, but never forgetting who our customer is, and we want our franchise owners to do the same. The second principle is called extreme ownership, and that simply means let's be people of our word and do what we say we're going to do. But the third one is the most important, active collaboration. See, at PuroClean, we're one brand. We're all in. We don't want a PuroClean owner being concerned about another PuroClean owner. We're one brand working together in the market. So if you have need for resources and equipment to finish a job, you've probably got a PuroClean neighbor near you who's going to help you to do that. And that favor will be returned manyfold, as is often the case throughout our system. So when you join PuroClean, you're joining a family that will support you and help you grow. As you can imagine, if we're talking to existing businesses like yourself, there are going to be some common questions and concerns that come up. The first of which is, hey, if I get a territory with a franchise, am I going to be limited to that space? The answer is no. At PuroClean, we operate in an open system. Your territory is not a fence around you. It's simply a bullseye to help you maximize the opportunity in the local market. An open system literally means that you can take jobs anywhere and continue to build and work those marketing relationships that you already have, regardless of where they are. Number two, national accounts. Many independent companies that are not affiliated with a franchise have difficulty getting into national accounts, large commercial loss, third-party administrators, and various other corporate accounts. As part of PuroClean, you'll have access to all of those opportunities and more. Finally, training and development. How do I build a culture and a team in my own company for the future if I'm sitting here by myself in my market? Well, at PuroClean, you have a support staff of over 80 people to help you train and to motivate and to develop your team over time so that you can truly scale a large business. If you're an independent business in mitigation or in some other aspect of restoration, and you're looking to take advantage of all that restoration has to offer, please consider PuroClean. Visit us at PuroCleanFranchise.com and schedule a quick call with one of our developers. Find out if the opportunity is available first in your market, and if you qualify to perhaps join and be one of our PuroClean owners.